Ready to get paid for your freelance work? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add your bank account to Upwork for fast and secure direct deposit payments. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Setting up your bank account is the final step to receiving your hard-earned money from Upwork. Let me walk you through the simple process. First, log into your Upwork account and click on Settings in the top right menu. From there, select Get Paid from the left-hand sidebar. You'll see various payment methods. Click Add Method and choose Direct to US Bank or your local equivalent. You'll be guided to a secure form to enter your banking details. Carefully input your bank's routing number and your account number. Double-check these numbers for accuracy to prevent any payment delays or failures. Once submitted, Upwork may make a small verification deposit to confirm ownership. A crucial pro tip: for the fastest and most reliable payments, use a checking account rather than a savings account. Also, this method is best for freelancers in supported countries. If you're international, we'll cover other options like Wise in a future video. And just like that, you're all set up to receive direct deposits from your clients. Adding your bank account is the gateway to getting paid for your expertise. Have you linked your bank account yet, or are you using another method? Let me know in the comments below. To learn how to access your funds, subscribe for our next video on how to withdraw money from Upwork. Thanks for watching.